We were awarded a grant. It's a $130,000 Travel Oregon grant. So it was the largest grant we've ever received. Our largest one before that was $7,500. Our main focus was wanting to make the path ADA accessible. We've noticed over the past 5 years, the stone to the gravel, the spacing was getting too extreme and people were having a hard time walking on it. Coming over the island, as you were going to keep the paths all 48 inches width. As you curve around, you keep coming through here, and then you head towards the Azamaya. And back in that area, we're going to redo the water basin, which is next to the Azamaya, which is, we also call it kind of like a pavilion, right? So we'll have a whole new water basin, and then we're going to extend this path now to exit the island to get back to the Moon Bridge. We're adding, it's called a machiai, which is kind of a resting area, and that is a real rustic, I mean, you can even call it kind of like, looks like a bus station because it's only 3 by 7. We're adding an entrance gate, a covered entrance gate, and it will be remote controlled. So we can open it up at sunrise and close it at sunset. So there's 2 kind of vandalism, security things that we're doing. One is the entrance gate, and then the second one is we're adding, it's called yosamagaki, which is a type of bamboo fencing, and we're putting it around the perimeter of the island. It will kind of keep people on the paths because everybody always wants to get down to the water. So we really have calmed down the plant palette. We've removed over 80 mature shrubs and trees. So we're selling them right now up at the Kyoto Center. But after 12 years, things got overgrown and the plant palette. When I think about it, our main focus is accessibility and authenticity. So we need to get more authentic to Japanese garden design, and that is reducing the plant palette.